Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Spotify to your Garmin Fenix 8. First, ensure your watch is fully charged and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Then, open the Connect IQ store directly on your watch or via the Garmin Connect app on your phone. Search for and install the Spotify application. Once installed, launch the app on your Fenix 8 and log in using your active Spotify Premium account credentials. This initial setup is crucial for seamless music enjoyment. After logging in, you can begin downloading your favorite music. Navigate through the Spotify app on your watch to find playlists, albums, or podcasts you wish to save for offline listening. Select the content, then initiate the download. For optimal speed, keep your Garmin Fenix 8 connected to its charger and a strong Wi-Fi signal during this process. You can monitor the download progress directly on your watch face, ensuring all your tracks are ready. Once your music is downloaded, it's time to listen. First, pair your Bluetooth headphones with your Garmin Fenix 8. Go to the watch's settings, select sensors and accessories, then headphones, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect. After pairing, access the music controls on your watch, typically by holding down a button. Select Spotify as your music provider, then choose your downloaded content to start playing. Enjoy your tunes on the go. To ensure a smooth experience, always verify your Spotify Premium subscription is active, as it's required for offline downloads. Regularly check for software updates for both your Garmin Fenix 8 and the Spotify app through the Connect IQ store to benefit from the latest features and bug fixes. For extended battery life, download music over Wi-Fi rather than cellular data, and consider using your watch's power-saving modes when not actively listening. These steps will enhance your music experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.